Hi, I want to talk to you guys about how I got my cat. It's an interesting story in my opinion. In one of my videos, I talked about how I would make a video of how I got my cat. So here it is. This is a story about my cat. So one day, my sister and her friend AJ were walking back to our house, and so it was really strange because a stray cat started following them. So they kept walking and walking, and he still followed them. Once in a while, he'd turn around and go into the woods, but he would still come back. So my sister decided to lead him in our garage. He was so skinny, he didn't look like he ate anything, he really did look like a stray, but we still put up found posters. He's American Bobcat, which is really cute because his little tail. But I'll actually show you a picture right here of American Bobcat. So, uh, so one day he got out and ran away. I was heartbroken. He was absolutely an angel to us. I loved him so much. I actually bond with too many animals. I love them instantly when I see them, which is not very good because yes, animals have to go away someday, and I'm gonna be really sad. But so he ran away, and my mom was like, well, he's not gonna come back because we only had him for about a month, and he probably didn't even know, not a month, 2 weeks, and he probably doesn't know where our house is. But it was like late at night, and so I was horrified. I really wanted him back home. So I had this really strange feeling that I had to turn around. And I was sitting over here behind us, which a window is right there. So I turned around instantly, and there was Charlie eating. We put cat treats out, and there he was eating some of it. I screamed. I'm like, Mom, open the door. So we have him still now. Yeah, and I really hope you guys like this story, and hopefully we keep him till now. We've been really strict about closing the doors. It's really funny, so I hope you guys really like it. I want to show you little bits of Charlie. Okay.